All right, today we're gonna bring a neck cooler, and this is a really good option if you're gonna take it out in the field. You're gonna go work out, or you're gonna run. You're gonna be sweating, maybe do a marathon with it. This is perfect. It has a little weight. That's the only thing because of the great fans it has and the batteries built in. Now this is gonna last you for many hours, and it clips onto your neck. It's very simple to use. There's only one button. There's three options, three speeds. All right. All the air comes out from the top. If you guys can see it, all the surrounding. All right. The best thing I like about it is that it's a Type C connection, so it charges other devices too. So very simple. If you run out of juice, you can always charge the device too on the row. Putting it over your neck, just push of a button. We'll push it on right now so you guys can see it. Hold the button down, and then it starts turning on. I'll put it by the microphone. Put the microphone right next to it. That's level one. So that's all three levels right there. Of course. So this device is really handy. It doesn't stretches out. It's not that much flexible. So you got to be careful of not open it too much. It's going to last you for many hours. Keep you cool if you're driving long distance. This is a perfect thing without interfering with any audio or any sound. It's very comfortable, very flexible for the neck. Not too much flexibility, but enough room where you can actually use it. Fans are very discreet. The noise is very minimum. You can walk with this, you can run with this, and it won't fall off because it's going to surround and clip into your neck. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.